Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is findushere.com. So you can see just I created a one business listing for the job mark. So you can see this is the logo, brand name, the main address details, and this is the full address details. Like there we didn't attach the social media, but you can see there we displayed the phone number, email address, and the website name. If I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink, and there we have added our description. So that kind of information you can create on this website. So now we can start. Before we can do some research about this website. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 74, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 47, spam score is only 4%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so around 13.1k monthly traffic this website having, and mostly traffic from India, USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and other countries. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the list your businesses. There is a button, you can click on this, then you can scroll something, and here you see the create your free listing. Now then you can select the first option, first the basic package, create a free listing. There you can click. Then after you can select your country. So there is only option to can select these countries: Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK, and USA. So just for you guys, I'm just choosing this. Business name, there you can include your business name, add your business name like DML training. Business category, from there you can choose your business category. There are a lot of categories, so you guys will definitely find your category. First name, then after you can add your last name, then the contact email, then you can resubmit your email. Then after you can choose your password, username. Then you guys will choose your password. After you can click on the create my account. So welcome to findushere.com. So it will be take a couple of seconds, then it automatically redirect you on this website dashboard. So you can wait. Yeah, so you can see it's redirecting. Here is your dashboard, so where you can fill your all the business details. Okay, so from there you can add your telephone number, the email address. So email address is should be, you can use your main email address like this one. Then after you can add your website URL. Then you can click on the update each of the section, whatever the things you can update on each section. Make sure to you can update the your dashboard for the each section. So let's include +91. Let's see if might it can take. I don't think it can take, because it should be going to ask me for the US number. Let's use this. Let me remove the number because I don't know why it's not taking the number. Telephone, alternative telephone. Let's remove this. Click on the update. The contact number is required. Okay, so let's copy from there. Incorrect the number of format.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
US phone number format key, so +1. Incorrect the number format. I don't know why these things are happening, but it's still just I created a listing on this website. I don't know why. I think I'm using the number SMS receiver. Let's use this because the same number I put it in the previous listing, and I don't know why it's not fetching the details. So what you guys can do, so let me show you the all listing in here. So there I listed my business, so you can see there I added the same format like this. Let me try this one. I'm doing the same thing. So there you can include your contact number, your email address, your website URL. Then after you can click on the update button, and here you can choose your category and how you can change your business logo. So from there you can upload your website a logo, and here you can update your a full address like your street, city, and the state and the postal code. Here you can update your business description, like you can include your all description here. Then after there is an option you can include your map location. So map location, it will be only applicable, sorry, except the longitude and latitude. So you can copy your address and you can open any of website that could be that who can provide the latitude and the longitude. So you can only you can easily type on Google SCRP the latitude and the longitude finder, and you can paste your address, then it will be give you the latitude and the longitude code. Okay, once you guys will update these things, then after you can see your business page here, your website listing, sorry, your listing URL here. So you can see your new business web page. So you can click on this and you can see this is your business. Okay, so overall this is the process to how you can list your business in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.